dito ang mga barangay. Ingani ka po.
Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Bakayan.
Iwason ko na eh.
We also have our Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Talamban. Very lovely. Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Banad. And of course, our Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Alsungot. Now entering our Central Health Unit, Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Busay.
Center na, center. Center, health center.
We also have our Barangay Health Workers from Sapandako. Welcome everyone. Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Babag. Barangay Health Workers from Capital Site. And of course, our Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Kamputao. Barangay Karata. And of course, we have here our neighbor Barangay Lahu. Next. Barangay Luz. Our Barangay Health Workers from Barangay Luz and Barangay Kalunasan. Nasakol. Buwag lagi mo. Gano man eh. Barangay pong Sibugay. Sibugay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our participants para sa atong Nutri Parade. There you have it.